Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be drawing actor Vijay. Enjoy the full tutorial video of me drawing Vijay step by step.
Then he didn't crack that. In and out of dolo when I knew mass. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad at. I'm like.
Dear Namba and Nandis, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and support me.
Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out of dolo when I knew mass. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad at. I'm like, then he didn't crack that. In and out of dolo when I knew mass. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad at. I'm like. Flashback, thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out of dolo when I knew mass. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad.
Dear Nanba and Nanbis, thank you for watching. Hope you liked this video. Do subscribe for more exciting content. See you in the next video.
Thought you got mad, then he didn't crack that. In and out of dolo when the new mass. To the boys were on him and he crashed that. Till they came back, man, I don't act like. Heads off, yeah, all of that one pack. I could be anywhere, feeling alright. Till the game on the head is so mad at. I'm like, mad, then he didn't crack that.